Another day, another story. Budget 2023 highlights. Hello everyone. I am here to present to you the highlights of the Budget 2023. The Budget 2023 has been designed to further strengthen the Indian economy and provide ample opportunities for growth and development. Budget for taxation. The Budget 2023 has proposed to increase the personal income tax exemption limit to 5 Indian rupees, 00000 for individuals below the age of 60 and 6 Indian rupees, 00000 for individuals above the age of 60. The government has proposed to increase the standard deduction limit from 50,000 Indian rupees to 75,000 Indian rupees. The Budget 2023 has proposed to provide a tax holiday to startups for a period of 3 years. Budget for infrastructure. The government has proposed to allocate 110,000 Indian rupees crore for the development of infrastructure in rural areas. The Budget 2023 has proposed to increase the allocation for the development of roads, highways and bridges by 25,000 crore Indian rupees. The government has proposed to allocate 50,000 crore Indian rupees for the development of water resources. Budget for agriculture. The Budget 2023 has proposed to allocate 212,000 Indian rupees crore for the development of agriculture and allied activities. The government has proposed to set up a new scheme for the promotion of fisheries and aquaculture in the country. The Budget 2023 has proposed to increase the allocation for the development of the food processing industry by 10,000 crore Indian rupees. Budget for healthcare. The government has proposed to allocate 64,000 crore Indian rupees for the development of the healthcare sector in the country. The Budget 2023 has proposed to set up a new scheme for the promotion of Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, Ayush, in the country. The government has proposed to increase the allocation for the development of medical education and research by 5,000 crore Indian rupees. Budget for education. The Budget 2023 has proposed to allocate 93,000 crore Indian rupees for the development of the education sector in the country. The government has proposed to set up a new scheme for the promotion of technical education in the country. The Budget 2023 has proposed to increase the allocation for the development of higher education by 10,000 crore Indian rupees. Budget for housing. The government has increased the budget for housing with a focus on providing affordable housing to the people. This will help in reducing homelessness and increasing access to decent housing for all. Budget for public transportation. The government has also increased the budget for public transportation. This will help in improving the public transportation system and making it more efficient. Budget for defense. The government has also increased the budget for defense. This will help ensure the security of the nation and strengthen its defenses. Budget for research and development. The budget has allocated more funds for research and development in various sectors. This includes funding for scientific research, technological innovations, and other projects that have the potential to have a positive impact on the economy. Budget for increase in investment limit. The government has increased the investment limit for the tax-free savings account from $6,000 to $7,000. This will encourage people to save more and invest in a tax-free environment. Budget for increase in pension age. The budget has increased the pension age from 65 to 68. This will ensure that people can continue to work and avail the benefits of a pension for a longer period of time. Budget for increase in foreign investment. The budget has also increased the foreign investment limit to $100 billion. This will encourage foreign investors to invest in the country and create more employment opportunities. In conclusion, the Budget 2023 has been designed to further strengthen the Indian economy and provide several opportunities for growth and development. The government has proposed several measures to increase the allocation for various sectors such as agriculture, healthcare, education, and infrastructure. The government is committed to providing a better future for the citizens of the country, and this budget will go a long way in achieving that goal. Thanks for watching.